Hello and welcome to another walk around video. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at a 2020 Toyota Corolla LE. This is a 5-passenger 4-door sedan in super white. Under the hood you'll find a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder riding on top of 16-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include this aggressive front end styling as well as your daytime running lights, and you also got a smart key system which allows for easy access. But now why don't we hop inside this Corolla and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob right here. It's got our lock and unlock buttons, as well as our trunk release button. We'd open the driver's side first and take a look in the front. On the bottom of the door you do have some storage space, and above it you have your power windows, locks and mirrors. And next to the door you do have some lighting options as well as your heated steering wheel button. Now let's move on and take a look at the seats. Equipped with black cloth seating, and below you do have your manual adjusters. But now why don't we hop inside and start this brand new Corolla up. It is a push start. Put your foot on the brake and just press that start button right there. The vehicle will fire up. On the left side of the steering wheel you do have this cluster here. Next to that you also have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system, and on the right you have your Toyota Safety Sense with your radar, cruise control and lane departure assist. You also have your cruise control speed settings right in the center there. If we move on to the screen, right now we're on home. It's got this nice little split screen. If we press menu, you do have your little settings and you can access your phone. If we press audio, you have your standard AM and FM options, of course, as well as a choice between USB, auxiliary and Bluetooth device. Backup camera, nice and clear with those guidelines. Now we're going to move down to our climate control settings. Nice and simple. You got these nice smooth dials as well as your corresponding buttons. Down here you have your key wireless charger. You can charge your phone, no cables, and also you have your driver and passenger heated seats. Behind the shifter you do have your two cup holders, and in the center console lots of room in here. You also have a 12-volt outlet and a USB port. Before we take a look in the cargo, let's take a quick peek in the back first. Opening up the door, on the bottom you do have some storage just like the driver's side. All-weather mats equipped here as well, and more black cloth seating. In the center here, if we just pull this down, you do have two cup holders in the center, and this will also serve as a nice little armrest. Just to quickly mention that we do have this nice little design here with this black trim that does connect the taillights. So to open up, just press the button right under that Toyota emblem and that'll open right up, nice and easy. Lots of room in here. Got the folding seats that go down in case you need that extra space. And lastly, right underneath here you do have your tools for your spare tire in case that ever goes. So to close up, we're just going to give this a gentle push, like so. Taking a last look at our 2020 Toyota Corolla LE. Once again, some of your great interior features include your backup camera, Bluetooth audio, heated seats, and hands-free calling. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.